Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to explain how you can assign keyboard shortcuts to commands in the Midori web browser. For example, if you'd like to, for example, perform a specific action like clear or access your browsing history or mute a tab or anything by pressing a key on your keyboard instead of navigating to the given feature function with your mouse. This is how you can do it, guys. Let us dive into this. So head over to the Midori web browser and access your browser settings by clicking into the gear icon in the bottom left. Next, what you want to do in your browser settings is navigate to keyboard shortcuts here and simply go through that list and select the tab action, for example, for tabs or history or a page action and so on and so forth. So as you can see, that list is quite extensive. So go through that list and simply click into the given field here if you'd like to assign a new shortcut. So I will go, for example, with clear recent history. And let me assign, for example, Control D, which is already in use, as you can see. So I will need to try another one. Let me go with Control D and R. Doesn't work either. So that combination is already in use. So you will need to find a combination or a keybind that is not being used. And that's basically it. So simply click into it and try to find a keybind that's not in use. And that's basically it. You don't need to save anything manually here. Simply enter the shortcut here. There are 80 of these, as you can see. And there you go. For example, duplicate keyboard shortcuts don't work. We just saw that, guys. So to apply these changes, you will need to restart Midori. So you don't need to save anything manually by clicking into any button, but you will need to restart the Midori web browser to save these changes. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we catch you later.